You search for how to buy shares of Lightbridge Corp, and this short guide will walk you through the practical steps. Lightbridge focuses on advanced nuclear fuel technology and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker LTBR, and this is educational information, not investment advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After you register, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and you must add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker LTBR to locate Lightbridge stock. Select the NASDAQ listing that matches the company to open its asset page. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the correct listing. Double-check the company description and ticker LTBR to ensure you are viewing Lightbridge on NASDAQ. To invest, click the Buy or Invest button. Enter the amount you want to spend, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or placed as a limit order. And if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before it allows the trade. After execution, the new position will appear in your portfolio, showing quantity and cost basis. Soft call to action. The eToro link is available in the description if you wish to visit the platform.